Hello there, welcome to our podcast video where we will be discussing how service and installation companies can enhance their efficiency with precision time tracking. This is Abdullah Niazi. I am a senior software engineer here at Xgrid.
Hi, my name is Iqbal and I'm working here at Xgrid as a technical lead. In this video, we will explore the pain points faced by these companies, the challenges they encounter in their day-to-day operations, and how the integrated management solution can help solve these issues.
Service and installation companies face several challenges when it comes to managing their workforce, including manual time tracking, job inefficiency, tedious file keeping, and difficulty in accurately reporting time spent on different tasks and projects. These challenges can lead to decreased productivity, inaccurate reporting, and ultimately affect the entire functionality of the company.
Now let's take a look at the integrated management solution. So our solution basically helped solve these issues by providing the features such as the automated time recording, the real-time project tracking, and the accurate data for the reporting purposes. With this solution, employees can check in using the various methods such as swiping their RFID cards or the mobile application using the Bluetooth or the Wi-Fi technologies. And this has led to increase in the attendance capabilities to the major extent. This also eliminates the time tampering and faking system, and I think this is one of the greatest benefit of our integrated solution. Now, the other benefits of using such a solution are numerous. It leads to the improved productivity while increasing the efficiency across the job sites. So when you are exactly tracking the hours by the employees, you can actually calculate the efficiency for the job and you can increase and enhance the productivity that is required on the job site. So it can also, increase the attendance tracking, the streamlined task updates during the checkout. The solution also speeds up the daily task, which otherwise would require more time to complete, thereby increasing the overall efficiency. Now let's take a look at the success story for one of our clients, a US-based client whose work spans across multiple states with some big tech giants like Netflix, Disney, or JP Morgan, etc. That services and installation company saw a great transformation in their job site management with our solution. The solution helped them with accurate attendance tracking, the simplified processes for check-in and check-out, the automated time recording, the real-time project tracking, and the streamlined task updates. It helped them with the bulk check-in and check-out to the major extent. Now let's talk about the numbers. So where previously one person at a time was checking into the job site, now up to 80 people can check in simultaneously. And that's not limited to this number, but our solution can even expand beyond this number and can help checking in and checking out maybe 300 or 400 people at a time.
Let's take a look at a use case. Service and installation companies encounter several challenges when it comes to the HVAC installation. That includes project management complexities, inefficient resource allocation, and lack of real-time information and communication. An integrated management solution that includes a centralized project management platform, advanced resource optimization algorithms, real-time communication mobile application, and inventory management integration can really help solve these challenges. The solution leads to increased efficiency and on-time project completion, enhanced customer satisfaction through real-time updates, cost reduction through optimized resource allocation, improved project profitability and scalability. It also provides competitive advantage through superior service delivery.
Another use case can be streamlining the industrial maintenance. So services and installation companies or huge workforce companies often face challenges in managing their staff, their technicians, the manual tracking of the working hours, and the task progress, and thus the inefficient communication and resource allocation. The solution that allows technicians to log working hours and update their task progress, accesses relevant documentation, and communicate with other team members on the job site in the real time can really help solve these challenges. So this led to improved technician management, streamlined communication channels, and increased efficiency. So if we conclude this, the integrated management solution can really help the services and installation companies overcome the challenges they face in their day-to-day operations. By providing the accurate data for the reporting purposes, the real-time project progress tracking, and the streamlined task updates during the checkout, these companies can increase their productivity and efficiency to some major extent.
The use cases we discussed shows how such a solution can be tailored to specific needs of services and installation companies to optimize their operation in order to provide better and more efficient results. Thank you for watching our podcast video.